This is awesome. Welcome to Caddo. Let's get it. I'm not giving up. Here with Gerald. It is currently 6:30, so it's lines in, and as you can see, I'm still at the boat ramp. Overslept, but that's okay. We're gonna get after them today. Super pumped, but also super tired. So yeah, let me get finished packing and see y'all out in the water. There he is. Oh! Yeah. Damn. Damn it. I saw him come out the water. Gosh. Come on, Spro. Bro, I waited on him too. But I cast it like right behind the tree, so I couldn't really set the hook. Oh, there it is! Oh my god! Yes, again. Are you kidding me? Bro, are you?
Forcing myself to really shark today.
Dude.
I have so never caught one fish on shark ever.
Really? Dude, he's...
There's a pond.
How's it going? Oh, I had 2 bites on the same fish.
Yeah.
Both trick off.
Just get spun out in one cast and everything.
Yep, yep. I just like just being out here right now, so. But either way, hopefully I can catch them. You too. Good luck. So basically, I need to put this frog down. I can't be taking these L's, bro.
I'll be the king of the people that only caught one fish.
The what?
I said I'll be the king of the people that only caught one fish.
Dude, hey.
Armando is like an inch or 2 ahead of me, and he has 2 fish.
I just need something in the boat. Like my confidence right now is just shot. Got halftime with Gerald. Confidence is completely shot. Been trying to work this frog. That's why I've been getting. I have more confidence with the frog than chatterbaits because that's just. what I've been more used to, but yeah, I just need to get a bite. I'm gonna keep it real simple. Period. Take a deep breath. It's just fun, but also slightly embarrassing. I'm not even talking about that right now because I can't. Like, these gloves still smell like my damn bag. This should be a dunk. And again, that fish and that frog, I would have just died on that frog, honestly. I'm not feeling like getting off this boat. We're not having lunch until I catch a fish. A damn pickerel, crappie, catfish, blue cat. But yeah, I'm not having lunch until then. I'm not giving up. There we go. There we go. First caddo fish. There we go. Nice, pretty fish. Look, Gerald, I caught a fish. Nice. 14 and a half on the board. Whew. Oh my gosh. Please don't come off. Oh! Gosh! Oh yeah. Y'all look at that. What a beaut. Alrighty. Well, I wish I was doing this 4 hours earlier.
The funny shit is I wanted the top water bite too, great. But yesterday I literally said, throw sink on me.
Bro, dude, I'm shaking. Dude, he started hopping and skipping and I was like, yeah, I need you to chill.
That night, that 18 3/4 I got, I almost didn't get it. It was wrapped up in
Oh, that was your third? Over
Yeah.
there?
And it,
There he is. guys. Another one. Another good one. Nice. Oh my goodness. Here he is again. Okay. Man, I was really about to say, like, all right. Let's get one more. Yeah, for a second I was like, man, you're just on them right now. Number 5. Number 5, y'all. Number 5, baby. That was tough. Thank you. Please check connection. I don't know. 312. Is all your stuff submitted? Yeah, man. I don't even have Duke's number. I'll just worry about that shit later. Good. Did pretty well. Now it's got 5.
Alright. I wanted to do a little better, but it's okay. How about you?
79.25. But I mean, I missed like 2 right in the very beginning on frog, and I missed a few on Cincos, but
Yeah.
I didn't figure out the Cinco thing until like 12 o'clock. So,
It's like, God, that would have been my 5th fish.
Yeah.
I ended up with 4.
That's
I lost.
what's up? So long, Walter.
How you doing, man? I put back-to-back 11 3/4 in the last 15 minutes, and then I lost 3 after that. I lost so shallow. The frog bites, what happened was that they would hit it, but they would, as soon as they hit it, they would get in the
grass, so when I took the hook, I was just setting the hook on the grass.
What's up, family? So just got done with the awards. I ended up with 79 1/4 inches with a limit full fish. Didn't win anything today, which is a-okay. My biggest fish was 19 1/4, but you know, I still had fun. What worked was just a weightless Cinco, throwing on the base of trees. In the morning I tried to do a hollow body frog, but I didn't get a lot of bites off of that. But overall, had fun. We'll definitely get a check sometime this season, I know it. My next tournament's going to be at Lake Brownwood later in April. Unfortunately, I'm missing Lake PK and that tournament there, but overall, had fun at Caddo and definitely going to come on back. So.